Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to accept a bid on Stockx. So this video should be very simple and easy, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, let me show you how you can accept it. First, you need to log in into your account and make sure that you're logged in as a seller. So this is what I'm going to do right now. And let me introduce you on how the bidding process works so you can understand how do you accept it in the first place. So here, as you can see, for example, someone will bid on this product, which is, for example, let's say it's yours. So how does it work exactly? The bidding system here, it's not like an auction, literally. It could be just a simple offer. So you are selling this for $73. I can say, for example, I can make you an offer for $65. And basically, you will find a notification in the sell section that there is an offer for you in the specific product. So let me show you how does it work exactly from the buyer side. So simply they have to click here. For example, they see $77. So all they need to do is to click on make an offer from this area, and this will take them to a page where they are going to put the actual credentials like the address and payment method and other stuff that is necessary, and basically the offer that they will make for you. Now, they are not going to be like the money from their account is not going to be cut, but their account is going to be on hold. So what does it mean? In case you accepted their offer, which is going to be right here, let me show you. So it's going to be in this area. As you can see, I can put my price and put a bid. So here they can put the bid expiration. For example, after like 30 days you cannot accept the bid anymore, but once they put here an offer, you're simply gonna go to your basically area, which is the selling area, find the product and accept the offer in case you accepted it. In case you don't want to, you simply have to click on reject. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.